Hi. So, I discovered a new way to kill zealots, however the hell you want to say it, in 2022. I'm recording this very quickly before somebody steals my idea, so let's get to it. You may have noticed that in my hotbar, I have 2 stacks of Blasto lanterns. Um, yeah, I don't know. So, I had this idea, because, yeah, I had them in my, chest, and I wanted to see how many zealots or how much damage it would do for the zealots. So yeah, I'll go show you what I did and how it kills the zealots pretty quickly. Yeah, you could do this method with I think at least 100 to 600k of bank. Like it's really low budget. Because I know with me, like I'm pretty much broke. 81 K is pretty much the only amount of money that I have currently because I spent my entire bank account on blast the lanterns for this video. So yeah, let's get to it. So I only have the I have I have the young dragon armor, but I'm pretty sure you could use any strong armor like ender armor and stuff. But yeah, I bought the young dragon armor. I won't say that you have to use it, but if you want like strength and like more speed or whatever, just use whatever armor you think you can. That won't kill you. So oh, the music's really loud. Let me. But yeah, I couldn't warp to the portal hub. But yeah, I'll show you how the blast lanterns kill the zealots pretty quickly. Yeah, I think it would take like depending on where you hit them, either in the head or in general, it would take 2 or 3 of them. So if you do want to grind zealots and you want to do it cheap and or on a budget of 100 to 600k, I'd say blast the lanterns is your best bet, or you could just get the or you can get these when the event happens, like the spooky event or whatever. So yeah, just warp here. Let's go over here. We made it surprisingly. All right. So let me show you how these kill the zealots. If my thing will load. Let's just wait for stuff to load first. Okay. So as you see, there's a zealot right here, and I can blast it, and I killed it for like 3 shots. So yeah, that was pretty fun. So if you want to grind money, whatever have you want to grind zealots, blast the lanterns. Blast the lanterns your best bet if you don't want to wait and get really expensive tools or items. Yeah, for me, honestly, as soon as I figured this out, it was pretty cool. But it sucks that there's a lot of people out here right now already trying to like murder all of them, so I can't really show you with my laggy ass game for some reason. And for the watcher, it does 2 hits. Where's another zealot? I'm gonna go over here. Bop, bop, bop. That did 3, and that did 3 again. Bop, bop, bop. Like, yeah, it did pretty much almost kill me, but it's fine. I'm kind of vibing right now. I don't know if anybody's made a video on this regarding killing the zealots with blasto-lanterns, so I'm just gonna say right now, as of 2022, this is the best way to kill the zealots and everything else in the cave, if I could aim properly. Yeah. Alright, those are dead. Kill this zealot. But yeah, so if you have any issues or have any tips for making this a lot faster, less laggy, let me know. Because I often have these problems with Hypixel, but usually when I'm recording it doesn't give me this much problems. So, yeah. I'm just showing you how I'm killing them and how easy it is. If you have any problems, let me know, and if you have any other ways or other methods to one-shot, also let me know, because this is pretty easy. Pretty easy, without people. I don't know how much it would do for the Enderman with the chest, because these people keep killing them, but I'll probably let you know and comment and put it in a comment down below once I figure it out. Yeah. But yeah, this is pretty cool method that I figured out. Oh, it's pretty fun if you like this. I don't know. Anyway, yeah. I probably earned like, I don't know how much money, but money. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below and have fun with this. I suggest if you have strong armor and a lot of fairy souls already collected, it won't hurt as much when you're going around. So yeah, I know Hypixel can be a hella laggy, especially with the amount of people playing it. So yeah, just be careful. I'll leave a link to my hotbar texture pack, GUI texture pack down below. I am currently trying to learn how to make my own as well. So I'll keep you posted on that. And before I go, I will show you my new skin that I have made. Oh, okay, yeah. This is my new skin. I just gave him overalls and like bare overalls and a little jumper and 2 thigh highs, matching the hair and a headband. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you like it. I'll probably make another one if you guys want, and yeah, enjoy.